Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review initial setup of the Xbox Series X. So you may have seen in a previous video I did an unboxing of the Xbox Series S. This is the big brother of the Series S. This is the one that's impossible to get. So let's see. A little bit of information. It's got a 1 terabyte solid state drive, which is all right. I mean, a solid state drive, those are good. It doesn't have any moving parts, so that's great. But 1 terabyte, with having to install pretty much everything on it, might fill up kind of quick. You might have to get extra storage. Even though, I mean, a terabyte, that is a considerable amount. That's a little bit over 1,000 gigabytes. But still, with games, increasing in size, that's going to fill up quick. You could argue with me if you want in the comments. Let's see, features. 4K gaming at up to 120. Whoops, there we go. Frames per second. That's pretty impressive. 8K gaming. That's pretty impressive. Xbox Velocity Architecture. I'm not sure what that means. I can't talk apparently. 1 terabyte solid state drive. We already kind of went over that. Variable refresh rate. I'm not really sure what they mean by that either. Oh, hey, there goes a cat. 4K Blu-ray, so you could watch Blu-ray DVDs in 4K if you have a 4K TV. Let's see, it says it includes the console, the controller, the HDMI, and has wireless networking capability. I would hope so. Ultra HD, Blu-ray, HDMI, Dolby, whatever. Let's see. I'm not really sure what they're saying on the back of this or what they mean by this. I don't believe any games are included in this. I remember back in the day, you'd buy a regular Nintendo, Super Nintendo, a Nintendo 64. It would always include a game. So you buy it and you're immediately playing. That's not how it is anymore. Everything is sold separate. It's kind of annoying. I'm not a fan of that. I'm also not a fan of them kind of straying away from like playing at home with other people. So things are more designed to play online against people now, instead of having like a bunch of people all sitting together in a living room playing a 4-player game together. It's not really how it is anymore either. But anyways, I don't think this game is included. This is a game that you can get. Forza Horizon 5. There's a lot of games with Game Pass, which is kind of cool. That's how it looks. That's how the top of this box looks. So let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside of the box. Bum, 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 bum. Look at that. That's actually pretty sweet looking. So let's see what's all included here. We've got a controller. I've kind of shown you guys one of the newer next gen controllers in the Xbox Series S unboxing. But if you haven't seen that, this will kind of show you. It's got some pretty nice pretty nice feel to it. It's not like a click or anything. It's variable pressure. This, I think, is a newer button introduced. I could be mistaken, but I feel like that's a newer button. Kind of the same setup as previous Xbox controllers, but this one feels a little bit more ergonomic friendly, and it's got a nice little maybe you could see the texture there. But it kind of just, it feels like it's not going to slip out of your hands. I like the feel of it. It's kind of nice. That's what that looks like. Nothing else in there. A little booklet thing. Just for warranty, all that kind of stuff. I did not buy an extended warranty. I believe this does have a 1-year warranty from Xbox. This is probably something I should keep. There has been, according to the place that I bought it from, there has been some times where people have come in and they've had to get a new one or get one replaced because it broke. Kind of sad to say. Anyways, this is the HDMI cord, just your standard HDMI, nothing too exciting there. Your power cord, just like the Xbox Series S, it doesn't really have like that bank or that box or anything. It is, and I don't like that. I don't like that because look, you only have your hot and your neutral. There's no ground attached to this. There's no like surge protector, interrupter, or anything. So if something goes wrong, this is what's going to mess up. There's nothing protecting the Xbox. I don't like that. And also, I mean, it doesn't even have a ground. Why would they do that? Maybe customers are like, oh, hey, it's taking up too much space. But hey, I'd rather take up some space and protect my, investment than whatever. But yeah, that's what the cord looks like. Just like with the Xbox Series S, they're switching to this style. Horrible idea, I think. But that's my opinion. Argue with me in the comments. So this is the actual, whoops. Xbox itself. Let's see what this looks like. It's got this nice little wrapping on it. Kind of feels like Christmas. Like unboxing a present. And there we go. Look at that. So this is a newer style too, where it stands upright like that. CDs, DVDs, whatever, discs, Blu-rays go in there. It's only got one spot. I don't know if you guys could see that very well. It's only got one spot for USB on the front. That's kind of dumb. But it has 2 more spots on the back for USB. It's got a storage expansion slot right there, which that'll be nice because, I mean, a terabyte, that's a lot of storage. But then again, for the games that are coming out nowadays, that is not that much. So you're going to need expanded storage at some point. You could still do LAN or Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or Cat5, Cat6, Cat5e, whatever. You could still use networking cables. You don't have to do everything over Wi-Fi. I like that. That's nice. It says HDMI out. Okay. Yeah, so it's only got one HDMI slot. Unlike your older Xbox consoles, it has HDMI in, HDMI out, which I liked. It means that you could hook up other things through your Xbox. Not with this one. It's kind of cool looking. It's got that cool Xbox green tint to it. I guess you could have this upright, kind of like a computer tower, or you can still lay it on its side. That's probably how I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to have it on its side like that. That's Oh, excuse me. It's probably your power button. This is probably for syncing controllers. I'm just kind of guessing here. Got your bottom part here. It's got a rubber little grip. Anyways, let's head over to the living room and we'll see what this looks like all hooked up and maybe test out some games. All right, so we're in the living room now. I've got the Xbox hooked up. This is it right down there. Yeah, right next to I got an Xbox One right next to it. On the Xbox Series S, I ended up setting it up with the app. We're going to skip doing that and we're just going to go into the setup through here. So bear with me. I'm going to enter in all my password information and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. Finished doing the setup. Finished downloading the update. Now we're just going through some final things. Do I want to update the controller? Do I have to? Apparently I have to. I wasn't expecting this. I'll be right back as soon as this is done. All right, we are back. I've got everything set up. I'm logged in. I got my Ultimate Pass connected. So this is what the home screen looks like. Well, this is how my home screen looks like anyway. I am doing some downloads right now, and let's see. One of the good things about Xbox and Xbox Series S is backwards compatible straight out of the box. So I got all these Xbox 360 games. I got Xbox One games. There's even a regular Xbox going all the way back right there. The Star Wars Battlefront 2. A lot of backwards compatibility. Oh, there's another Xbox game. Original Xbox. Lots of games. And then you'll notice some of these games have XS. So like this one, this new one right here, GTA Online. I actually had to buy and download this right here. Because this is a new version. It came out with a version for the next gen. I was doing a little bit of reading, and you have to do like a migration tool to convert your old profile to the next gen. And once you do it, there's no going back. You're stuck in the new generation. I'm going to do it. I bought it because just like they did with the Xbox 360, I imagine GTA Online is at some point going to stop supporting Xbox One generation on GTA Online. So I upgraded there. I haven't actually logged in or anything yet because it is 85 gigabytes. It's a huge game. So these are the ones that are installing right now. Another cool thing, Halo Infinite, that one is the online anyways free. You can download it for free. Let's see. So right now, I'm just going to finish downloading and installing GTA San Andreas from the Xbox 360. And I can just show you guys a little bit of functionality of everything. So And of course, you got all these different apps. You can watch movies, TV. Apparently, you could even possibly shop. There's some Xbox controllers. And I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing video of one of these Xbox controllers here pretty soon. Oh, look at that. That was awesome. It's like an original Xbox controller. That is crazy. Wow, there's a lot of crazy looking controllers out there. This is the one that I have, just the one that came in the box. I am going to be doing, like I said, an unboxing video of another type. So I'll link that in the description. But it looks like we've got GTA San Andreas fully installed. So we could do a quick little some gameplay of it. The only bad thing about this is it's not going to show you guys. Oh, of course, I haven't set this up either. Wow, just like the good old days. I got like the $500 console, newest generation, and I'm playing an Xbox 360 game. Look at that. But I mean, that's awesome too, that you could play games as far back as original Xbox on the Xbox Series X. So it was original Xbox, which is like the same time as the PlayStation 2, and then you've got Xbox 360, which is this one, and San Andreas was originally released for the original Xbox and the Xbox 360, and for what was I saying? It was originally released for original Xbox and PlayStation 2. So this is, geez, this is like a game from like 20 years ago on the latest generation. And I mean, it's kind of cool. The graphics, I mean, obviously this is I mean, this is obviously a older generation. Game, but the graphics aren't that bad. I'll probably do some like product reviews of some of the newer games as they come out, and then you guys will be able to really see like the graphics and the graphic quality on this next gen system. Let's exit out of that. Yeah, so anyways, this was the Xbox Series X unboxing and review and just kind of everything. Showing you guys the next gen system. There will be more videos to come, as I said, because I will be showing some probably product reviews of actual games and gameplay, and without going through recording like this. You're just going to get straight up gameplay. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.